and welcome back to my channel. So glad you guys could make it. My name is Brittany, and if this is your first time seeing me ever in life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're gonna love. I mean, you guys can see my face is looking real snatched, okay? So why wouldn't you want to see more of me? But that's besides the point, y'all. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to create this really pretty emerald green eyeshadow, and you see I got it to match my hair tie as well. Follow me on Instagram because I post really cute makeup videos on there, if I do say so myself. And turn on my notifications here on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. I will leave all the products that I use in the description box, as eyeshadow, brushes, and my social media handles will all be in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the look, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, so to get started, I'm first of all going in with my base, and you want to make sure you take a base that's lighter than your eyelid, especially for like a black woman or a darker tone woman, because you want that eyeshadow to really pop. And so I went in with the Toofaced Born this way concealer, and I love this base because it leaves my eye looking so smooth and so shadow ready, and I just love it. So the palette for today is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, and guys, I only used one palette for this whole entire look. I just get really excited when I realize I only used one palette for a look. I don't know, that's just me. But we're first of all going into our transition shade, and that's that really light murky green. And this is a Morphe brush that I'm using. I don't remember the name of it, so I will leave it in the description box. But I thought this would be the perfect color for a transition shade. And I'm just blending it and blending it outwards because I really wanted to create like a wing effect with the liner. And then I went into this darker green with a more precise blending brush. And I did the same thing. I blended it and blended it outward in order to create that wing effect. So to add some shimmer to the look, I took that dark green shimmer, and with a shading brush, I began to place that on my lid. And then I went into that lighter green color again to blend out the shimmer, to make sure there's no lines anywhere and to make sure it's looking good, okay? And so now for the face, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer and Foundation. And this is like, I can't. I'm just gonna not, because if I get started, I will not stop. But it's amazing. Like, the primer is like such a good skincare moisturizer. Like, it's just, I love it. Like, look at my face. Like, it just feels and looks amazing. And then this foundation, like, you cannot beat these two. You just cannot. But I took a BH Cosmetics brush to blend everything out. And blending it out is such a dream. Like, it's almost soothing blending out this foundation. That's how good it is. And so I really took my time to blend it out. And I really enjoyed it. And it came out, like, absolutely flawless. So I'm highlighting my face with my Toofaced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I put that under my eyes and on my nose and, you know, the usual areas. And then I went in with the Morphe blending sponge to buff everything out. So in order to set that concealer, I took some of my Spun translucent powder, and on that same Morphe sponge, I just began to dab the powder in. And then I am bronzing using my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer and just, you know, warming up my face. And then I'm highlighting as well. And then I also went back into the powder to cut my cheekbones to make the contour more prominent. And so going back into the eyes, I'm pretty much taking the two eyeshadows that I had used to create the same blown out effect on my bottom lash line. So for my lips, I went in with a dark brown lip liner from the Beauty Supply, not really a big deal. And then I topped it off with my NYX Lingerie lip gloss in Sable, and it's like a really nice peachy nude. And that was pretty much it for the whole look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all the products I used in the description box, as well as the brushes and my social media handles. Follow me on Instagram so you guys don't miss out on some of my other looks as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.